Welcome to the Reputronomy Podcast show. I'm your host, Jeffrey. This episode is focused on the different ways you can leverage professional online reputation management services to enhance and keep your reputation online positive, engaging, and consistent. In fact, 92% of consumers read online reviews or explore businesses' content just to make sure that that's the business they want to do business with. So before they even make a purchasing decision, they're going online, looking you up, doing some research, just finding out what's potentially out there for them. So you want to make sure that all times your reputation is not only stellar, but your brand's image is consistent across all platforms. It's a lot of work, but it's got to be done. This fact alone is the reason why a lot of business owners, in fact, 87% of them, consider their online reputation a risk. And it's something that they're focused on and ensuring that they're always on top of. So the growing recognition has led to an increased demand for expert assistance. And I'm happy to dive into it and take a look at it. So the first thing is, what actually sets the professionals apart from the rest? And you may not have come across this before, you might have, but enabling your online reputation and gaining the right competitive edge is the single best thing you can do for your business if you're looking to grow or maintain your clientele. So let's uncover some powerful tips. I'll get you started. The first tip I have for you is actually leveraging the power of social listening. So by engaging in social listening, what you're doing is you're gaining real-time insights into what customers are saying about your business. Now, to effectively manage your online reputation, it is essential to actively monitor social media platforms, review sites, as well as online forums. Reason is because of feedback. Feedback enables you to promptly address concerns. Feedback shows that you care and you're in tune and you're actually engaged with your audience effectively. And it also demonstrates your commitment to the overall customer's experience. So you want to make sure you're paying attention and you're also listening to your different social channels. The next tip, optimize your online profiles and all directory listings. By ensuring that you're actually consistent and up to date with all your details, you make it super easier for customers to find you and establish a reliable brand presence. Maintaining accuracy as well as consistency across all platforms is vital for building trust as well as credibility. So you want to take the time to optimize your business information on search engines, on directories, as well as social media profile. The next tip, we highly encourage that you respond to reviews. I've been talking about this countless times. Customer reviews play a vital role, if not pivotal role, in shaping your online reputation. So actively encouraging your satisfied customers to leave a positive review and leveraging that into a testimonial is great. Leave ratings, make the priority to respond promptly, be professional, be positive, and as well as the negative reviews that are just there hanging around, respond to them. Please respond to the negative reviews. Do not skip over them. Do not ignore them. The reason why is because you want to show that you're always engaging with your customers, addressing their concerns, and putting their needs before the transaction is completed or once the transaction is done. Speaking of, consistency is something they're also looking for. So whether it's content, response, whether it's offers or promotions, people start to memorize and paint a picture about your brand. And you always want to make sure that you're developing not only robust content, but you're regularly publishing high quality content and you're consistently delivering valuable content that people can look forward to and engage with. And by making sure you have all these things, you want to ensure that you're also staying on top wherever these posts are going. So that goes into my next and final tip, which is to monitor your brand's mention. Set up alerts, set up some notification system. It is invaluable for you to keep a vigilant eye on brand mentions. Regularly monitor them on social media platforms, news websites, blogs for references to your brand as well. You want to promptly identify any potential reputation risk or opportunities and take the proactive steps and measures to overcome them and address them. So now that we've exposed and explored all these valuable tips, let's turn our attention to Reputronomy. And the unique ways in which we actually assist your business is by managing, maintaining, as well as monitoring your online reputation. And that's done by specializing in a comprehensive approach. So we specifically tailor our business to address small businesses like yours. And our experts understand that it's a challenge that you face to maintain this. So we're dedicated, we're committed, and we're focused on making sure that your brand is well represented. Now, by partnering with Reputronomy, what you gain is you gain access to our services that empower you to take control of your online presence. The peace of mind knowing that you have a dedicated team that's committed to making sure that 24/7, your brand is represented the way it needs to, the way people expect it to. And in moments notice, you can always make adjustments and know that it's always up to date across all listings and on all platforms. So we make sure we monitor your business on a weekly basis. We make sure we keep an eye out on a daily basis for anything out there. We're proactively reaching out to people to write positive reviews for your business based on their experience. And if they're negative, we're more than welcome to address them as well. We're here for you. We remove our emotions from it and give you the best experience that translates to your customers as well. Our team specializes in repair and enhancement. So if there's anything at all, please feel free to reach out to us. And if you've enjoyed any of these tips, go to our website, book some time, have a conversation with us. We'd love to hear about you, what's going on, and go over some strategies and how to help you. Until next time, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. Hope to hear from you soon. Be safe.